gross negligence, incompetence, and unprofessional conduct. Those are the state's findings against two local nurses after a 60-year-old man died at the Kaweah Health Medical Center. That case has now triggered a lawsuit and a state investigation. A local family taking the Kaweah Healthcare District to court.
I like to think that the resolution of this case will inspire some change at this facility.
Medical malpractice attorney Nathaniel Leeds is representing Eric Berger's family. He says the 60-year-old man died because of the hospital's negligence.
Our experience is when nurses are behaving badly, it's often because they're facing burnout because they're being asked to do too much.
The complaint states that on October 1st, 2023, Berger called an ambulance because he was experiencing severe chest pain. The paramedics then called the emergency room nurse, saying Berger would need urgent attention as soon as he arrived. The nurse told state investigators that she didn't understand why he would need immediate help.
The fact that you had this very significant fight documented in the records between the ambulance drivers and the nurses made us curious and concerned.
When Berger arrived at the emergency room, the nurses told state investigators that they performed an across-the-room assessment while sitting at their desks. Within 3 minutes, Berger began to seize.
There are some times in which, in a medical facility, of course, people have to wait in line. When your pacemaker is going off, that's not one of those times.
The nurse in charge told another nurse to take Berger into a room to get checked out. But case documents say that second nurse walked into another room in the opposite direction. Medics soon discovered Berger didn't have a pulse, and he died within 30 minutes. Leeds says his family now wants to make sure this doesn't happen to anyone else.
The money in these cases matters very little to our clients, and frankly, it doesn't matter a huge amount to us.
Kaweah Health sent us a statement Friday saying they don't discuss litigation, but neither nurse is still employed by the hospital. They were both reported to the California Board of Registered Nursing, which has now asked the state to revoke their licenses. Now, in the case against the hospital, Berger's family has demanded a jury trial, which is scheduled right now for February 9th of next year. But I'm still working to learn exactly when the hearings will be for the state's case against the nurses. In studio, I'm Brianna Bias, KSEE24, local news that matters.